Hey, I don't call things for resale, don't do iCloud, don't do email. Feds wanna top up, man, and wild, man, like trucks with detail. Back when Ricky was doing up Teasdale, I was doing dinner with TZ. I didn't trust no one, swore got line, niggas got too greasy. Nico never move Nike, sweatsuit Nike, sweatsuit DG. And I get peaky, ring, call up.
Hey guys, back at it again. It's been a while since I've filmed any videos. This is gonna be like my first video of 2022. Come on. So I hope you guys like the mini montage, like shopping thing. I went shopping today, food wise. So now I'm back home and I feel like I just need to clean my room and just make it look like we in the new year. Even though we're like so later on into the new year. I think today is the 17th of Jan. Yeah, so we like way past entering the new year, but we still in the new year, still January. So I'm going to like clean up a little bit. My room looks like a total mess, a real mess. But before we get into this video or go on into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you may be notified every time I make a new upload. So I want to show you guys like the parts of my room that I want to clean, because I'm not like cleaning everything. Well, I should, but I'm just gonna tidy up, organize most things in my room. So I think I'm gonna start by my desk right here. It's not really that messy, but it's something. And I'm gonna go on to my vanity too, because my vanity needs a lot of attention. I have a lot of like containers that need throwing away like this, but it's looking janky, especially down there. I just need to like do something. For my bed, I just need to put away these clothes. They are freshly washed, and I want to change my bedding too, and maybe organize that part right there of my nightstand. So we're gonna get into this video, and I'm just gonna quickly organize everything and just make it look pretty. But first I want to change out of this clothes. My face is so pimply, like it's annoying. I'm trying to like clear it. If you guys know any like hacks, habits, I don't know, things that I can do to just revive my skin and have it like smooth, looking like a baby or something, put me on, put a girl on, because I really need help, because I'm just tired and it's mostly my forehead most of the time. So y'all, let's get into it. I feel like I'm just a little bougie to be cleaning, but I wear the shirt at home. I never wear it going out. I don't think I've ever worn it going out. But I just finished cleaning my desk area. It's pretty neat. It's neat. I like how it looks. So now I'm just gonna go on to my vanity area, and I'm just gonna like tidy up the space. I know I said I was gonna throw away the bottles of empty containers, but for the most part, most products I think are fine. And containers are always reusable, because you can always use it to like do your oil mixtures and stuff. That's what I usually use it for like oil mixtures and stuff. But I think I'm not gonna keep them all, because like I can't use all of them for oil mixtures, but only a few of them. So yeah, I want to clean this area actually, because there's a lot of oil and gunk and stuff that shouldn't be there, because it's like very sticky here. So I'm gonna take everything off, do a quick wipe down, and put everything back on. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done with the vanity. I just cleaned up my bed a little. So now I'm gonna tackle like the bottom here of my nightstand, and I'm just gonna try like make it a little bit neater. It's looking a little bit messy, and that's what I don't like. So I just want to make it look a little bit presentable, put away things that need to be put away, but there's not really much to do here. I feel like I can finish this section a little bit quicker than all the other sections. I don't know. I have this lamp for like load shedding vibes because of all the like load shedding that happens. So here is just my sunglasses, phone cases, and glass cases. So there's not really much to put away. It's just like, I guess maybe wiping everything down and then putting everything back in there. I don't know what this is. Periodic table. Yo, guys, what? I want to say periodic. Okay, I just said it, but yeah. I think some of the things I can like throw away. I messed my fairy lights up. I got this whole thing janked up. Okay, so short story, it fell. I was pushing this table and I forgot that I had this on top, and it just fell on top. It fell on the floor and then it just cracked open. I don't even know where the lid is, but I know like the screw was out. It was just a whole mess. So now it doesn't work anymore unless like I press against it, but it's pretty beat up. It's like so beat up, like I can't use it anymore, which is so sad because I really liked using my fairy lights. Okay, so my room is starting to look like it's getting into like pretty good shape. So all I need to do right now is just sweep the floors. I want to sweep the floors real quick just to get rid of all the dust that has been falling off, that I've been pushing off the tables, you know, like when I do the wipe down and everything. And wipe down, change my bedding, and I'm done. I'm so happy. I'm excited. It's always so nice when you're like doing something and you get to gradually see like your work make a result. I don't know, but I'm just like, finally. You know what, I feel like this sweep and changing of the bedding will hit the lighting will hit with some nice good music. So I'm gonna pick some music from Spotify. I'm feeling gospel. Some gospel songs can get you going down. Like, gospel these days is becoming so diverse that it's not just, you know, like praise. I mean, it's not just like worship. You can like have like praise songs that feel like, ooh, yeah. So I'm probably gonna play some gospel and mix it up a little bit with like the genres like R&B or pop. I don't know. So we're gonna see what mood I'm in. Ooh, okay, now I have a song. It's either I'm gonna play Tomorrow Will Come by Cass, right there, or I'm gonna play Blessed Up by One Day, Lecrae, and Mike Todd. Ooh, I love that song so much. And let's start jamming. But I'm gonna start with Blessed Up. I don't know if I should play from my speaker or from my phone. I'm just gonna play from my phone because I'm not trying to make a noise. Okay, I'm officially tired. Not really tired, but it's so hot. Let me open the window. when it says it's hot, it's something else, and I'm like sweating. Well, I'm glowing, you know, that glow sweat or that sweat glow. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of that and it's not good. So I'm gonna take a bath right now, but I'm gonna quickly end off this video right here and just say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying to be productive and just clean my space and just, you know, 2022 vibes, you know, welcome it in like a clean space environment. I am sweating. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you may be notified every time I make a new upload. And oh, I hope this video inspires you to want to clean your space and just make it look really good and really clean. You know, that's the reason I did this video, to just, you know, inspire somebody to just also want the environment to just feel like how they want their year to feel, you know, just blessed and everything. So I'm done. Just want to say I love you guys to the moon and back, and most importantly, Jesus loves you, and never forget that, okay? So yeah, bye guys.